Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today we're going to be clearing the lot on 500 flights and counting. After the home was taken down, the big excavator remained on the site to clear the rubble for the home. It was scooping the remaining rubble of the home into a dumpster. Because there were so many trees still standing on the site, I only took ground-based photographs and videos. I just did not feel comfortable flying from across the street to view from up above. I asked the crew why the excavator remained on the site for the last few days, and they said it was cheaper to stay on the site until they needed it elsewhere. The firs on the right side and the smaller trees were the first to be cut down. They were removed by a skid steer. It was amazing to see how large the trunks were being removed. The lot was being cleared and shaped as it was being cleared. Next came the big oaks. There were two in the front of the original home which were removed to make way for the porch of the new home. Don't feel bad. They were dead already and were going to come down within the next several years on their own. It was just amazing to see how acrobatic and daring the tree cutting crews were at the top of the trees. They would tie themselves to the tree and cut down the limbs and branches from the top down. Because they were cutting branches from great heights, I did not fly because they have a dangerous job and I did not dare want to disrupt their concentration. It was amazing to see how quickly the trees came down. Finally, the grapple truck showed up to remove the large trunks. That's a truck with a trailer-mounted grapple that is manned and guided to remove the trunks. It reminded me of those games where you guide the grapple to win the stuffed animal, except this was for real and there was no prize. I was learning to tell a story, and I was able to get multiple angles filming on the ground. It was an awesome day.